Is your Kia Forte key fob from 2014 to 2018 not working? Chances are it's just the battery. These fobs use a CR2032 battery, a common type that's easy and inexpensive to replace. A dead battery interrupts the RF signal at 314 MHz needed for remote functions. In 90% of cases, replacing the battery solves the problem. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool and a new CR2032 battery, positive side up. The average price is $5 to $7 at retailers like Amazon and AutoZone. Let's get started with opening the case. First, gently pry open the key fob case using your tool. Be careful not to damage the plastic clips. Apply gentle heat from a hairdryer if needed. Remove the old battery, noting the positive side faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing the circuit board. Ensure the battery contacts are clean. Use isopropyl alcohol if necessary. Snap the case back together securely to prevent water ingress. Test the remote immediately. If it still doesn't work, double-check the battery polarity and ensure no corrosion. If problems persist after multiple battery swaps, a faulty circuit board, 5% of cases may be the issue, and professional service is needed.